Hello, everyone. Welcome back to Multi-Recipes and COOKERIES, the place where we explore exciting and mouthwatering recipes. Today, we have something truly special for you: homemade shrimp in pumpkin. It's a perfect dish for impressing your family and friends. So, let's dive right in. Ingredients: 1 medium-sized pumpkin, 1 pound, 450 grams, of fresh shrimp, peeled and deveined, 1 small onion, finely chopped, 3 cloves of garlic, minced, 1 red bell pepper, diced, 1 yellow bell pepper, diced, 1 can, 14 ounces, of coconut milk, 2 tablespoons of red curry paste, 2 tablespoons of vegetable oil, salt and pepper to taste, fresh cilantro and lime wedges for garnish. Preparation. Now, let's get started on preparing this incredible dish. 1. Prep the pumpkin. Cut the top off the pumpkin to create a lid. Scoop out the seeds and membranes from the inside. Don't throw those pumpkin seeds away. You can roast them later for a tasty snack. 2. Prepare the pumpkin bowl. Rub the inside of the pumpkin with a little oil, salt, and pepper. Place it on a baking tray and roast it at 350 degrees Fahrenheit, 175 degrees Celsius, for about 30 minutes. 3. Prepare the filling in a large pan. Heat some oil over medium-high heat. Add the chopped onion and garlic. Sauté until they turn translucent. 4. Add the peppers and shrimp. Add the diced red and yellow bell peppers to the pan. Cook for a few minutes until they start to soften. Now, add the peeled and deveined shrimp. The shrimp will cook quickly, so keep an eye on them. They're ready when they turn pink and opaque. 5. Create the curry sauce. Stir in the red curry paste and let it cook for a minute or two. Pour in the coconut milk, and bring it to a gentle simmer. 6. Assemble the dish. Pour the curry mixture into the roasted pumpkin. 7. Bake and serve. Place the filled pumpkin back into the oven for another 20–30 minutes until the pumpkin is tender. Garnish with fresh cilantro and serve with lime wedges. Ingredients and preparation methods are in the description box. There you have it, homemade shrimp in pumpkin. A unique and delicious dish that's perfect for special occasions or a cozy dinner at home. Thanks for joining us today. If you enjoyed this recipe, don't forget to like, subscribe our Multi-Recipes and COOKERIE channel, and hit that notification bell so you never miss our mouthwatering recipes. See you in the next video. Thank you very much, pumpkin lovers.